then come closer, you'll hear it.
Nothing's gonna stop us, nothing's gonna top this, nothing like we've ever seen. And I raise my hands to the sky, what a feeling. 'Cause I feel like dancing high, got a feeling, time to feel it. This is where it all begins.
Alright, so we've been dry camping for the last week up in Pensacola at a family member's house, and the weather's been quite nice, but like any dry camper does, eventually those tanks have to get dumped. So we are on our way to Gander RV in Pensacola to go dump our tanks.
Living the dream, sharp dress, combat boots and a fur vest. Top down, sunset, next level, not stress. When we were young, we couldn't rest. Gotta break the game to be the president. So here's to the freedom we know. Better hope we're ready to go.
Not everyone's favorite job, but Ellen calls me the poop man. What I love about these hoses, they're so flexible. Alright, we'll hook up the flush. This is actually our first time doing a dump station.
How much do they charge you here?
Oh, this place? Oh, this place is a breeze. Some of the rest stops we've been to, like
I said, how much do they charge you?
the J's and all that, want to charge like $10. The Loves want to charge you $10 a dump. Campground's $10, but here at Gander RV in Pensacola, free. Alright, so one thing they say you should never do is close the black tank. Is because if you're not careful, it will burst out of your toilets and then you'll have sewage inside your RV. And I've seen some people who have experienced trying to clean that mess up, and I hear it's not pleasant. And it takes a long time, especially the older RVs that have carpet. The smell just reeks for days. But what I have found is that with timing, playing around with different hoses, and every hose is different based off of how much pressure it's going in and how fast it's filling up, is that it actually builds up the water just like it would if it was collecting in the black tanks, and it cleans those sensors. Those sensors are so sensitive. I can't tell you how often those sensors are so off in our RV because there's something blocking the sensor. So I like to, a couple minutes, let it fill up, and then come closer, you'll hear it. You'll hear it, it'll actually flood out real fast. And sometimes you'll see toilet paper come out, which is a good thing because it's cleaning those sensors. But you can see it come down real fast, and you're supposed to flush and rinse the black tanks until it runs clear. So we're almost there. It takes us about 2 or 3 times to really get a good flush on these tanks.